Hey guys, well I just wanted to show you my next acquisition. This is an Eskimo box fan by McGraw Edison. Now this model you see here is one that's truly common on YouTube. This is the, let's see. Get a zoom in on the model number if I can find it. This is the, I won't focus that good. Anyway, this is the model 2137. That's 20137. And this is the one that has the this is the 2-speed model. Has the single push button for both speeds. And as I mentioned before, there are quite a number of those on YouTube already. This particular one here has the original box. And I just found this out when I got the fan. This same box you see here was used on pretty much all the 20-inch box fans made by McGraw Edison for the Burstead division. If you look here, all it says is 20-inch breeze box. Doesn't have a brand or model number or anything. There are all the features, and below all it says is another McGraw Edison product. So there's that, and we'll have an overall look around this thing. And it's that aqua color. And it does have a few cosmetic flaws. I mean, it's got a few scratches here and there, and it's got like white paint splatters pretty much all over the cabinet. This other side. Back. You got that famous McGraw Edison motor mount. You know, it's the full face motor mount, covers the motor but not the vent holes. And this is the regular, usual 2.2 amp motor. Sorry about that. We kind of went off camera. Anyway, this is the fourth, I think this is the fourth McGraw Edison box fan I got. But this is replacing one of the other ones I have, which I'm giving to YouTube user 80s Ford Mustang, whom a lot of us know as Miles Gifford. This one's got the white painted grills, which I believe these are supposed to have. The one I'm giving to Miles, it's the grills are not painted, they're bare metal. And they might have been painted, but someone must have stripped off the paint. And the switch to that one is miswired. It's wired backwards. I mean, it's supposed to go to high first, but it goes to low first. But anyway, this one's wired correctly. And I'll show you right here. Here's high. And it kind of has that motor buzz. It didn't have it when I first got the fan. Probably when I kind of adjusted the blade. It does throw out quite a breeze, I'll tell you that. And and here's low. probably runs like medium on a 3-speed fan now. I don't know whether that's a motor knock or what. Let's hope that blade's not loose again. And then once more is off. And as always, OFF spells off. And it's got a good coast down time too. So there you have it, the Eskimo model number 20137 from pretty much the late 1960s with the 2-speed push button. And as I said, there are a good number of these on YouTube already. Have been for quite a few years now. So, thank you for watching, everybody.